Check out this Kia 2019 Soul Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, clock, in radio display and dust sensing headlights. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.